Okay, so now we've got our Uzi. A lot of fun. And this is another fun gun. Okay, so now we've got our Uzi. Check this out. Now, this is probably the best gun you could ever buy. This is solid steel, not a piece of plastic on it. This whole thing is metal. And this is made in Spain, if I'm not mistaken. Made in Spain, Espinel. Watch this, guys. You ready? Check that out. 12-shot cap. Check that, how that pops right up. Okay, so that's the Uzi. And that is item number 0134. Comes in a nice box set. 0134 Uzi, baby. Check this out. Comes with a sling. I mean, this thing is just, it's itching to be in a kid's hand. I'm going to put this right here so you can see. It's got a nice sling, okay? So you can pretend like you're going into combat. Okay, kids could be walking around and everything. This is item number, it's the M134, item number 0134, die-cast metal. Caps. Oh, I love this. Look at this. Pops right up. Only quality toys at ProTinkerToys.com. I try not to get a lot of junk. I try to get stuff that you guys are going to have a lot of fun with. And this is another fun gun because I sell tons of toy guns. I don't care what the liberal lefty commie pinkos think. I sell a lot of toy guns. ProTinkerToys.com. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button.